today we're going to be doing a demo of a Lush bath bomb. This one is called Nay Worry Paw. I did order this off of the Lush UK website in their kitchen section, and this was an item they had out a couple years ago, but they brought back for the kitchen, and I didn't purchase it back then, so this is the first time I'm using it, so I don't know what it's going to do. They have it described as violets, sandalwood, and lang lang, and I definitely smell the violets. It has a really nice smell. It's a white balm, but if you can see down in this, it looks purple in there, so I'm hoping the water turns purple, but we shall see when we stick it in. Like I said, I ordered this off of the UK kitchen, and it is not available currently, so I can't say for sure exactly what I paid for it, but we are going to stick it in and see what it looks like. Alright, our bath bomb is finished. As you can see, the water doesn't really have much color. There is a little bit of purple right around there, but for the most part, it's just white with a milky layer on top of the water. The smell is very strong. It has a really nice violet floral smell, and it's definitely a spring scent. Not the prettiest color-wise as far as the water goes, but the smell is really nice. So I'm going to fill up my tub the rest of the way, hop on in, and enjoy my bath. I will be back with what I thought of it afterwards. Alright guys, I am finished with my Nay Worry Paw bath bomb. You can see the tub has, strangely, it's like a peach kind of color that just needs to be washed down. Other than that, I didn't really see any kind of glitter or shimmer in there, nothing that transferred to my skin at least. And overall, I liked this bath bomb. It did not have much color at all, however, it smelled really nice and it was very moisturizing. And I say moisturizing, like a creamy kind of moisturizing. It wasn't like that greasy kind of feeling. It was just a very nice soft feeling. So overall, I did enjoy this bath bomb. Let me know what you guys thought of it down below if you have ever used this bath bomb in the past when it was available. If you're not already subscribed, just hit that button and join me next time. I am going to be doing a demo of the Karma Bubble Bar. Now I did do a demo of the newer version of the Karma Bubble Bar. This is the old version that was recently on the Lush UK Kitchen website. So we're gonna give this one a go and see what this one looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.